Please read and follow all warning labels before you start this for your own safety. Hello. This is a little house tip here. When you get in the shower and you get all lathered up with 10 pounds of soap and realize that all you got is spring water, then you want to jump out and see what's going on. You get your Vodome meter, you get her zeroed, and you just go to the end of your heating element. That in there, you can touch it, and it's OL. This one here, got about 13.2 ohms. That in there, it'll get you by for a little while. This in here, it's the old OL, it's on leave. So run down to your local Walmart store, or maybe anymore, just a Dollar General, and get yourself fixed right up.